Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. I'm Bernardo Brown, and we go straight back to Eugene, Oregon for the World Championships.
And brilliant composure. Melissa Jefferson, national champion, 6th fastest in the world this year. She's on 22.4 shape for the 200. The veteran Marie-José Tarlou, a silver medalist over the 1 and the 2 in London 5 years ago. Is there to be another twist to her glorious career? Elaine Thompson-Herah, the double-double. 2 golds individually in Rio, 2 golds individually in Tokyo, and yet, no global 100-meter medal in the World Championships. Eva Svoboda, 4th in the world indoors. She's bounced back from that disappointment with an 11.05 PB this year. And Antonique Strawn, the Bahamians, having a fabulous season. Former world junior champion, now has joined the sub-11 second club and might need to again to advance into the final. The quickest of the non-automatic qualifiers at the moment, TT Terry with 11.04. Odiong of Bahrain in 1, Guy of China in 2, Kambunji, Switzerland in 3, Jefferson, USA 4, Tarlou, Côte d'Ivoire in 5, Thompson-Herah, Jamaica in 6. Svoboda in the white will be second nearest the camera for Poland, and Strawn of the Bahamas will be nearest the camera in that distinctive light blue. Thompson-Herah, the Olympic champion, goes in lane 6. Jefferson, the US champion, the 2 fastest in the field in 4 and 6. They're away first time. Svoboda got a good start. We would expect that. She's an indoor specialist, waiting for Thompson-Herah to hit top gear, and she now does so. Thompson-Herah and Muriel Ahore, and Jefferson will have to wait to see whether she goes through as a non-automatic qualifier. Wow.
That was an awesome race for Tarlou.
Superb from Marie-José Tarlou, winding back the clock in style. Now, it took Elaine Thompson-Herah a little while to get into her running, but she's run almost exactly the same time as Sharika Jackson from the first of those semi-finals. A couple of hundredths quicker, actually. Thompson-Herah 82, Tarlou 87. Jefferson should be okay with 10.92, and Kambunji 10.96. So there won't be a place in the final for TT Terry. Jefferson and Kambunji occupying the 2 non-automatic spots. Tarlou hasn't run that fast for a long time. And how about that? We had 5 in that race inside 11 seconds. Antonique Strawn, the Bahamian, finishing 5th, taking 100th of a second off her lifetime best. Good run.
Svoboda got out. She was gone, and she made them come get her. And once Elaine got up into her middle phase, she just started pulling. I'm quite impressed with Tarlou, because she just kept running. You saw on her face at the start line that she wanted this. Then you look at the closing speed of Melissa Jefferson, which she has, and then Kambunji just kept running and got in there.
Our great race there from Elaine Thompson-Herah.